Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in this bag. And it's one of those very nice padded bags. Well, if I can get it go across here. It always keeps everything so much nicer. I wish they all used that. All right. So, this package comes from BiggestCraft cross stitch store. And if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's get to this. This is a 50 by 88, I believe. I think I was supposed to get this in 14 count, so it's bigger than that. Give me a sec here. For some reason I didn't note that, so. Whoop, and of course the picture is upside down. This is 11 count, and it is 60 by 100. Holy cow. And it is Egyptian cotton. I can tell by the way the threads look and feel. But yeah, this is called Fortune Bird. I just loved all the colors in this and the flowers. I thought it was just absolutely stunning. It is 217 stitches across and 387 down. And it is a partial. So, yeah. And it does come with instructions on how to start, how to finish. And let's take a look at the booklet here and see how many colors we have. Well, that's kind of... okay. I see what's going on. I'm like, why won't that just fold over? We're going to get rid of the staple here. And... see if we can get it completely out of there so I don't rake it across my hand. Let's not have any issues today. Oh, please. Sorry. Good gravy. There we go. It's gone. All right. Well, that's different. Beautiful book, though. Does have the product number and how big it is. There. Very well done. It looks like there might be a little bit of back stitching in this. Oh, there's all the colors. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. We got full stitch and we have back stitch. No mixed stitches, no French knots. So there's only 3 colors in the back stitching. Oh, I lied. There's your mixed stitches. I'm just going to set this aside for a second so we can take a big gander at all this. So, total of, because over here it says 70 and 71, so looks like 71 colors. This booklet is separated out into 9 parts, and the number for the page is right here. Hopefully you can see that. But part of these pages, as you can see, are just little slivers. So let's see what colors we have. We have 310 black. We have 321, which is Christmas red. We have 498, which is a brick red. We have 666 red. See anything else? No 823, no 939. We have no. We do have 816, which is kind of a brick red as well. No 902. Sometimes they throw that one in there. We do have 3371. We have no 3865, and for white they're using B5200. Over here, I'm not seeing any numbers that I know of. Now this has, I'll show you right here because it's just easier. There's 2 sets of numbers. One set goes to the paper pattern and the other set goes to the canvas. And this is on a tan, or not tan, an off-white canvas. When I hold it right next to that, you can tell the difference. So yeah, so that's a lot of colors. Does have 2 extra hanks of threads. I'm not sure what colors those are. Might be 3371, but this says number 2, so that isn't what that is. Oh, it's 310 black. Hello. Well, it kind of had a brown tint to it. At least I thought it did. So you have 2 little hanks of extras. Let's pull this out. You have 2 needles. So lovely, lovely threads. Lots of reds, little black. There's kind of a lot black, huh? Greens, oranges. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. It's just gonna pop off that canvas. Here's the next one. In this we have kind of peach colors and more greens. This is 3371. That dark brown, because it's the darkest of dark browns. More oranges, kind of salmon colors. We have golds, more greens. And over here we have kind of a light bunch. There's your B5200. Kind of an orangish red down here. Kind of a peach. And more kind of golden browns. Gorgeous, gorgeous threads. Just stunning, stunning colors in this. And I've never seen this kit before. For $22.99, I think this is a lot. A very big amount of thread. So, now we get to look at the canvas. And like I said, it's a partial. You don't have to do the background. So, we'll see what that looks like. It does come in a bag all by itself. I love that about spring kits. That up there. Let's open this up. I will get the key and see which set of numbers, but I'm assuming it's the one on the left was the one for the canvas. Very well printed. This is very stiff. It is serged all the way around. Let's just do that right now. Hang on. I gotta get a hold of it again. Might be like a task. I buried it. Yep, I buried it. Hold, please. So, yes, the outside symbols are on the canvas. The inside symbols go to the paper pattern. So, very nice. I'm glad it's just full stitch. I don't care about the mixed stitches. It's getting so it doesn't bother me. But this is going to be one where you have 3 strands of thread. So I'm just picking the one that has the most thread and doing 2 strands of that, and the least amount of thread gets 1. So very nice. And you can do it however you want. That's just what I've come to a conclusion on. But very nicely done. Oh my goodness, it's so wide. Of course, my bell has to ring. Over here, let me just put that over there so I don't keep hitting it. It's annoying after. Now we have an avalanche. It'll be fine. It looks kind of confettied here and there, but that's only going to show all the details, so I don't mind it. It's not overly confettied. Look at that bird. Oh my goodness. He is huge. Just ginormous. I mean, he must be 10 inches from the tip of his beak, tip of his tail. Where's that? It's about 11 inches. And he's about 6.5 inches across. So very good size, but he is going to be gorgeous. There's, I don't know if I can show you this. Up here is what I was talking about, the confetti in that flower. But it seems to be in little edges. Not every third one is a different color. So that to me means shading. And then the bird, if I can get it, he's like in rivers. I'll hold it as still as I possibly can. But just absolutely stunning, stunning canvas. I don't know if I'd want to start on the bird or start on the flowers. Yeah, because they're all stunning. And I don't know, let me move that out of the way for 2 seconds. Let's see if I can, I don't know if I can get it to lay flat enough. Oh, ring bells, ring. Oh my goodness. Let me see if we can do this. All right. Outside measurement is, it's like 100.5 centimeters or 39.5 inches. This would be a great picture for if you had a big hallway, like at the end of the hall. And this way across is 59 centimeters or 23.25 inches. Actual across is 19.75 inches or 50.5 centimeters. By up and down, it is, my goodness gracious, 35.75 inches or 91 centimeters. Has nice big margins. Everything is just very well printed. I just absolutely love this. I don't know, I may start up here, you know, on the top part of it. I'm laying this sideways while I do this part because, you know, it's a thing. If I hit that off of there, church will be out. I'm going to fold this. Oh, hit him again, Laura. We have so many things going on here. I just wanted to show you the rest of the pattern. But very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. This seems to be kind of a solid stitch. Like from here all the way to the corner. But, ouch. Move the scissors. Holy cow, I just stabbed myself. It was awesome. Let me see if I can fold it. It's very stiff. But after you work on it for a while, I think it'll be fine. It usually is. I was trying to get to that corner. But just absolutely beautiful. Very well printed. Nice, big symbols. And being 11 count, it's fairly easy to stitch. And just absolutely thrilled sick I don't have to do that background. Whew. Yeah. Just beautiful. I'll show you. Maybe, baby. I was going to pull the picture out again. So, yeah. And it looks like it's got like a white background, but that's truly off-white. That bird is just stunning. And the branches, just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you, BiggestCraft, for sending me this gorgeous kit. Now, like I said, if they have any specials, any discount codes, or if I have any, it'll be in the beginning of the video and in the description box below. Now, BiggestCraft does not have diamond painting or paint by number. It's solely stitching, so that means embroidery, cross stitch, beaded embroidery, and silk embroidery. And they always have a wide variety, great customer service, and super, super prices. Thank you everyone for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.